Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in today. We're going to be talking a little bit about some electrolytic capacitor basics. First things that I like to point out is you see this 2200 UF, that stands for 2200 microfarads. This 25V stands for 25 volts. So when looking to replace a capacitor such as this, you're going to want to make sure that the microfarads and the volts match with the ones that you're replacing with the ones that you are going to be purchasing. How to tell if a capacitor is bad? Well, the first way to tell is sometimes there's usually a bulge coming from the top. Another way to tell is sometimes you can give them a smell, and then if it smells kind of smoky or burnt, that's how you can tell a capacitor's gone bad. Up here at the top, we've got the positive end, noted by this plus, and down here we've got the negative end. Thanks for tuning in.